Hey everybody, this is Mike. I'm standing out on the floor of our technology center at the SCM headquarters in Duluth, Georgia. Sitting here right next to me is a new Freedom Machine Tool Patriot 4x8 CNC machine produced by our colleagues out at DMS in Colorado Springs, Colorado. This particular machine was specifically engineered by DMS at the request of SCM to cater specifically to our woodworking customers. This is one of two different models that SCM will offer, a 4x8 machine like you see here, and a 5x12 foot machine, which will be available as well. So first off, I want to point out the impressive look and feel of these machines. You can see from the frame that we have here, it's a very minimalist and sleek design, really exemplifies the highest level of American engineering and quality. This machine features a 3/8 inch thick all steel frame welded from top to bottom by DMS at their facility in Colorado Springs, Colorado. The vertical integration that they have out there gives them the ability to pass that savings on to the consumer. When you look at the Freedom Machine Tool Patriot machines, one of the first things you notice is the impressive space-saving design. This particular 4x8 machine takes up less than 12 feet on the long axis and just over 6 feet on the short axis, which means that you can drop it in any shop, big or small, and have plenty of room to work around the product. The Freedom Machine Tool series of machines features an all Phenolic work table cut into a grid pattern, which allows us to spread the vacuum pressure underneath the spoil board, making sure that we get the most vacuum pressure on our parts as we're machining. It also features a gasket stuck into the side of the grid, which means that we can seal the table, again making sure that we get the maximum amount of vacuum pressure possible on our parts. Also included in the table are a series of electronically controlled, pneumatically actuated reference pins, which make sure that we get the highest precision and accuracy as we're placing our parts from program to program. Included on the machine is an X, Y, and Z drive system that's produced by Fagor. We use brushless AC servo motors. The X, Y, and Z are also driven via ball screws. The long axis ball screw is hidden underneath the machine, which allows for that ball screw to stay cleaner for longer. The short axis ball screw, the Y, is also covered, again allowing us to make sure the machine stays clean and operating for longer. The Freedom Machine Tool Patriot machines are going to feature a 10 horsepower Hiteco electro spindle. This particular spindle is designed for ISO 30 tool systems. We're also featuring a 9 spindle vertical drilling unit on the machine. If anybody who's been working in the wood industry for long has been using this technology before, you know that this is an invaluable tool to have in your shop for nesting cabinet parts and other projects as well. Hiteco, the brand that produces these parts, is an SCM owned company. They're actually making these parts just down the street from SCM's headquarters in Rimini, Italy. The integration of these parts into the DMS technologies allows us to control the supply chain, reduce costs, and pass savings on to the consumers. The 4x8 and 5x12 models are going to feature different tool changers. The 4x8 model, as you can see here, features a 8-position fixed tool rack with a very solid steel bracket. This bracket also allows us to perform automatic tool changes as well as tool height measuring cycles. On the far end of the machine, we can see that we've got a tool height sensor that's included on the frame. The design of this tool changer is unique in that it allows us not only to measure the height of the tools loaded into the electro spindle, but also gives us the clearance to measure the drills that are mounted in our Hiteco vertical drilling unit as well. The Patriot features this freestanding console, which the operator can use to manipulate the machine. We've got a Fagor 8070 PLC that's included here. This is actually an upgraded PLC from the previous generations of the Patriot. The 8070 gives the operator control of a suite of features that was never available on the previous generations. We've got kind of your typical features, your jogging, your MDI, your automatic program execution, but we've also got a number of features like diagnostics, troubleshooting, remote control support, all of these things that have been added in this newest generation to allow the user the easiest levels of control and allow us to contribute to the servicing and troubleshooting as much as humanly possible. Included on the frame of the FMT Patriot are multiple emergency stop buttons that allow the operator to interrupt the production cycle if he feels that there comes a situation that might be unsafe.